Hi everyone, this is Faiza and I'm going to present my work about social facilitation through acoustic signals in mixed species winter flocks. Several woodland resident species in North America form mixed species flocks in winter. Chickadees are thought to be leaders in North American mixed species flocks. They are known to produce structurally complex calls to convey different types of information, including new food sources. We asked whether calls of black-capped chickadees facilitate food finding among conspecific and heterospecific individuals, and whether species participating in mixed species flocks differ in their use of information. To answer this, we conducted playback experiments past winter at our Reller Prairie Field site in Lincoln. We conducted 15 replicates of match pair trials in which three feeders are placed in random locations for 2 hours. Each feeder had a speaker that played one of the three types of sounds, which were chicka calls of black-capped chickadees, quank calls of white-breasted nuthatches, or white noise controls. Feeders were monitored in two different ways: continuous video recordings and with radio frequency identification antenna, which detected birds that had been fitted with PIT tags earlier as a part of ongoing research into social behavior in this population. We tracked the arrival of birds at novel feeders using videos and analyzed the latency to arrival using mixed effect Cox models. Figure 2 here includes Kaplan-Meier curves from this analysis to show the latency for the first bird of each of our four focal species to show up at feeders. If you look at the first figure in the panel for black-capped chickadees, you can see that the chicka call playback treatment had a clear effect. In 50% of chicka call trials, at least one chickadee had arrived by 20 minutes into the trial. In contrast, in 50% of the quank and white noise trials, no chickadees had arrived even after 2 hours. Comparing this with the nuthatches and downy woodpeckers, there is no clear separation between treatments in how quickly the first individual had arrived. Finally, you can see that American goldfinches found the feeders very quickly across all treatments. Using RFID data, we estimated the number of unique visitors across treatments using linear mixed models. Figure 3 shows results of this analysis. Here, the number of unique birds at novel feeder sites is higher for chicka call treatment, suggesting that chicka call might be attracting or recruiting birds at novel foraging sites. In brief, these results show us several things very clearly. First, American goldfinches are very good at finding new food sources and they don't rely on vocalizations of chickadees or nuthatches. Second, chickadees don't use American goldfinches as cues for finding food. If they did, we wouldn't have seen the playback treatment effect. And last, chickadees use the conspecific calls to locate or get access to new food resources, while we don't see this trend very clearly in other species. Thank you.